look at this. It is absolutely incredible. It will be a lot tidier tomorrow.
And of course, HYSapientia have donated air fryers, juicers, loads of t-shirts with Race Against Dementia on them. So a massive shout out to HYSapientia. They are one of our top supporters of this charity.
I just want to say a massive thank you to HYSapientia. They have sent the banners.
Yeah.
Race Against Dementia, we care, we're a company, we'll always be by your side. Absolutely amazing. And
it's going to blow over.
It's not, they sort of blow and blow.
Oh, do they? Okay.
Yeah, they go backwards and forwards.
Okay, yeah.
And they've actually sent 3 ovens.
Yes, not 1, not 2, but 3.
They've sent 2 of the 24 litre, and they've sent 1 of the 22 litre, the double one. Absolutely incredible.
Fantastic. So yeah, those are going to be great prizes for somebody.
That without a doubt.
Happy?
So we're going to start this bid at £50. So anybody is going to bid me £50 for this amazing multifunction air fryer toaster oven. 110 over here.
£110 going.
Gone. Sold to the gentleman for £120.
There you go. That's the first £120.
I just need to read through some of the sponsors because they've helped us raise the money by supplying the products. Our main sponsor has been HYSapientia. We are going to get any t-shirts that's in there now and hand them all out to you. So we've got HYSapientia, Altenic.
They donated loads of t-shirts like this one that Robert's wearing at the moment. It's got Race Against Dementia, it's got us on that sleeve, and it's got HYSapientia's brand on that sleeve. And I just want to ask, HYSapientia are doing a prize draw for everybody who's got a t-shirt.
What are these?
The black or the white. If you just follow HYSapientia on Facebook or Instagram, you're all going to be entered into a prize draw, and they're going to draw it out soon. So yeah, please go along to HYSapientia and follow them on YouTube, Instagram or Facebook.
Yes, it doesn't cost anything, folks, and they'll automatically enter you in a competition to win
a prize.
Probably an oven or something.
It'll be a good prize.
It will be.